Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you that how you can increase Google Chrome download speed. Guys, this is very simple and easy. First go to the Windows set and just type here ncpa.cpl. Now this control panel setting appear on the top, so simply open it. Here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet, so make a right click on your connection. You will see the properties. Just click on the properties. Now here just look for the Internet Protocol version 4. Just highlight the Internet Protocol version 4, then click on the properties. Now here just click on the use the following DNS addresses, and in the preferred DNS type the 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate type the 1.0.0.1. Guys, this is the best DNS server. Then just click on the OK. Now just click on the close. There is also two additional steps that you need to apply to increase your download speed. Guys, first open up your Chrome browser, then just click on the three dot option, then just go to the extension, click on the manage extension. Guys, here simply remove all unnecessary Chrome extension. Now these consume a lot of CPU or RAM and causing slow download speed. After that, simply click on the top search box and just type here Chrome / and flags. Guys, once you type Chrome / flags, just hit the enter and you will see this kind of page. Now here on the top search box, just click on that, just type here parallel downloading. Once you type the parallel downloading, you will see the first option. Now just select it to the enable. Once you select it to the enable, then just click on the option of relaunch. You need to relaunch your Chrome browser to apply the changes. So once your Google Chrome was open, now simply download anything, and this is how you can increase your Google Chrome download speed. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.